Magnitude 4.5 earthquake strikes near Magnitude 4.5 earthquake strikes near Petrolia, CA. The United States Geological Survey reports a preliminary magnitude 4.5 earthquake struck near Petrolia, CA on Sunday. The quake hit at 2:18 p.m. local time at a depth of 7 kilometers. There was no initial word on damage or injury resulting from the quake. More information on this earthquake is available on the USGS event page. Petrolia is an unincorporated community in Humboldt County, California, 10 miles southeast of Cape Mendocino, at an elevation of 121 feet above sea level, within zip code 95,558, and area code 707. Petrolia was the site of the first oil well drilled in California.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.